Hello children, chapter 5 division, exercise 5a. Question number 1. Find the dividend in this division using multiplication fact. Find the dividend divided by 6 equal to 7. Multiplication fact is 7 multiplied by 6 equal to 42. Write 42. This is the dividend. 42 divided by 6 equal to 7. Okay children. Next is find out the dividend divided by 4 equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 4 equal to 36. Write 36. 36 is the answer and it is called dividend, and 36 divided by 4 equal to 9. Okay. Next is find the dividend divided by 5 equal to 16. 16 multiplied by 5 equal to 80. Right? 80. 80 is called dividend. 80 divided by 5 equal to 16. Next is dividend find out करना है आपको. Divided by 15 equal to 9. 9 multiplied by 15 equal to 135. Right? 135. This is the answer. Okay children. Next question is find the divisor in this division. 60 divided by 6 equal to 10. 6 is called divisor. Okay children. 28 divided by 7 equal to 4. Verification is 4 multiplied by 7 equal to 28. Next is 76 divided by 19 equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 19 equal to 76. This is the verification. Okay children. 126 divided by 18 equal to 7. The verification is 18 multiplied by 7 equal to 126. Okay children. Next is question number 3. Fill in the blanks. 67 divided by 1 equal to 67. 0 divided by 676 equal to 0. 321 divided by 321 equal to 1. 786 divided by 786 equal to 1. 0 divided by 3947 equal to 0. Dash divided by 735 equal to 0. 0 divided by 735 equal to 0. Next question is, if the divisor is 1, the quotient is equal to the number itself. Next question is, the dash is always smaller than the divisor. The remainder is always smaller than the divisor. If the dividend is 0, the quotient is also 0. Okay children. Exercise 5b, question number 1. Divide and check your answer. Firstly, 2926 divided by 9. Write this numeral in this form. Okay children. 9 3s are 27. 29 minus 27 equal to 2. Write 2. 9 2s are 18. 22 minus 18. 2 minus 8. 2 is smaller than 8. 2 से बोलो लेंगे 1. 12. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Write 6. 9 5s are 45. 46 minus 45 equal to 1. Children, 325 is called quotient. 1 is remainder. 2926 is called dividend. and this 9 is called divisor. Okay children, now check your answer. The formula of verification is dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient add remainder. Firstly write dividend. Dividend is 2926. Write 2926 equal to, write divisor. Divisor is 9. Write 9. Multiply quotient is 325. 325. Add remainder is 1. 2926 equal to 9 multiplied by 325 equal to 2925. Add 1. 2926 equal to 2925 add 1 equal to 2926. Children, both are equal. It means your answer is correct. Next question is 654 divided by 21. Write this numeral in this form. 21 3s are 63. 65 minus 63 equal to 2. Write 4. 21 1s are 21. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Your remainder is 3. 31 is a quotient and 21 is divisor. 654 is a dividend. Now start the verification. The verification is, firstly write the dividend 654 equal to, write divisor. Divisor is 21. Multiply quotient is 31. Add remainder is 3. 654 equal to 21 multiplied by 31 equal to 651. Add 3. 654 equal to 651 add 3 equal to 654. Both are equal. It means your answer is correct. Okay children, your answer is 31 and remainder is 3.